So what was your favourite part of the day?
My favourite part of today was making the rockets with Luke, because we got to see how far they would go and see what difference it would make what was put in the bottle.
Cool. And what have you learned today?
I've learned that if you put vinegar in a bottle and you can put air in it, it will shoot higher than if you were just to put air in it.
What did you learn today?
Quite a lot actually. Hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen makes stuff rust, so we had a battery and 2 pieces of metal, and put the battery touching the 2 pieces of metal, and the rust started to fill the water.
Beth oedd hoff ran ti o'r dydd heddiw?
Hoff ran fi o'r dydd heddiw oedd creu ragedi gyda Luke a gwylio pa mor uchel oedd ni wedi mynd.
A beth ti'n dysgu?
Dwi wedi dysgu bod rhoi vinegar a aer mewn botel yn gwneud i'n saethu yn uchaf yn yr awyr na os roedd just fel aer mewn.